Today we're going to be repairing the asphalt around this drain. So keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do that. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com, and on this channel we do asphalt paving, asphalt repairs, concrete, general contracting, and much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today we're doing a drain repair, and as you can see around this 12-inch drain, the asphalt's starting to deteriorate. So we're going to cut around the drain, remove the asphalt, and supply and install new asphalt so we have better slopage and it's not going to be a trip hazard in front of this apartment building. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to mark out with the marking paint where I'm going to be cutting. Now we're ready to use our Stihl ST400 to saw cut around this drain. And of course, safety first, we have our mask, earplugs, and our safety glasses. So I just wanted to show you guys, as we're removing the asphalt, the existing asphalt, there's been two-stage asphalt and also multiple patches, but the base is actually right here. It's a 1/4 inch thick in some places, and it's been dumped here. It's 4 to 5 inches thick in other places. So we're removing the entire thing. I'm gonna re-level and make sure the base is at proper height, compact that, and I'm gonna be installing a lot thicker asphalt, which essentially is going to last a lot longer, probably longer than the existing parking lot itself. So this is what you get when you have to repair some of other contractors' problems, but nevertheless the job will get done. It'll get done very well. So we're going to continue ripping out, and then we'll go get the asphalt. Now that the existing asphalt's removed, I'm just going to use a rake. I'm just going to rake out the existing base to bring it down to a little bit of a better level, and then I'm going to leave the pylons and we're going to go get the asphalt, come back to finish this. So we're back with the asphalt. It's in our hot box right now, but before I start laying that, I just want to give the ground a quick plate compaction so the granular A is nice and firm, proper base before applying the asphalt. Now I'm going to start shoveling out of the hot box and start applying it to our patch area. Now I'm just going to give the area a rough rake. Now I'm going to give it a final loot. I'm just going to use this shovel to just clean up around the drain and the outside of the patch before I use the plate tamper. I'm just going to give it a light hand tamp around the drain first. Now, after that, I'll run the plate tamper. So that's it. It's plate compacted. It's all finished. We've put 5 pylons down there. We'll be back tomorrow to this property to do some other work. So check out that video coming soon. And we're just going to leave this so that nobody can walk on it and cars can't drive over it for the night. So that's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all the upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Share our video. And leave a comment down below. And we'll see you next time from doitallsealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.